Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Shamase haul. So if you want to see what I picked up this time around, obviously keep on watching. But also I do have a Shamase playlist, which is going to be in the description box below. This haul is a little bit of a smaller one compared to my other hauls. I tend to buy a lot, girl. I overpay for certain things. I buy a lot of stuff that I don't need from Shamase, so this time around I try to kind of calm myself down. I waited for them to add things that I was actually interested in that I'm going to use. For example, I didn't buy the eyeshadow primer in the pink packaging, girl. I didn't. But there's like certain things I was like, okay girl, I see you. So if you want to see what I picked up this time around from Shamase, just keep on watching. I am going to be doing a video with my sister soon. I'm bagging more of these little mystery bags, so I went ahead and bought 2 of these first off in this haul. So I'm not going to go through them. Obviously we're going to do a video with my sister with that. I always do these types of videos where we unbag these little things and they're really fun. Okay, so we have a couple of miscellaneous things. We have a evil eye necklace that I saw on the site and it just looks really cute, so I went ahead and just grabbed the silver chain. They also do have it in gold. I do have some like earrings on from Temu. These are so cute. They're due for those like teardrop shaped earrings. Also have my S necklace, bubble S. It's so cute. But I saw this and I was like, ooh, that's really cute. Little dainty vibes. Feels like it's gonna rip if you overdo it and overexert your strength, you know. But it's really cute, really nice and dainty again. It's cute. I also saw that they had this on the website and I wanted to try it out. The Selfie ring light. It says to clip it on your phone for perfect selfies. It has 3 levels of brightness. It's rechargeable. Oh, interesting. Okay. And this was $188 on the site. So I did just throw this in my cart because I was genuinely intrigued. I don't use these types of products, but I'm like, girl, like, why not? Oh, it's like really like thin. It's not bulky like other ones I've seen. There's a little charger. Cute. And it just kind of clips to your phone on the back. And then you plug it in at the top to charge. Let's go ahead. Let's see if it's charged now. Has like a little baby button back here. Oh wait, how do you turn this on? Yeah, I guess it's not charged. Button's doing nothing. So I'm gonna have to charge it and let you know. But let me know, have you tried this? Let me know in the comments down below. Does it work? What's going on? But we're gonna have to charge it for sure. We do have some makeup now. AOA Studio Extendo Lash Mascara. We have the one in extra volume. I've noticed that they started adding so many mascaras to their site. Just picked up the one that intrigued me. So again, the Extendo is giving me very much like Incredibles movie vibes, right? So let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, that wand looks really promising. Cute. Okay. I did buy 2 extra AOA Studio Flawless Press Powders because I did run out of my other one. So we have this in M1. I already popped open the other one. Sorry about it. I couldn't wait. But these are so good and I think I'm going to keep repurchasing. I have it on today. I have it on my under eyes and all over the face. I just really enjoy this product. So yeah, love. I also added these little lipstick things. These are the AOA Studio Chroma 4-in-1 lipstick little sets. These are so cute. So basically each set comes with 4 lipsticks in them. It's kind of like those like old school like erasers that come in like stacks, right? So this is just a pink one and then they have like this nude one. I am going to do lip swatches, I hope, soon. But this is how it looks. So we're going to swatch the pinky one first. There's the first shade. You kind of pop. Oh, how do you take the other one off? Oh, it's kind of messy. There's a look at the second shade. It's like red. Cute. Pop them off while they're open, I think. There's the next shade. It's a little berry tone. That's like a red tone. The last one's like a little berry vibe. There's a swatch of the pink little stack. And I think you could just stack them however you want, but I'm just going to put them in the same order. So messy though. I can't see myself like traveling with these. Maybe popping one in my purse just for on the go, but they look kind of like whatever vibes. Let's try the nude one. First shade looks like a nice rose pink. Oh, so these are not nude. We have the pink set and then we have the reds. Okay, so it's a light pink dusty rose vibe. Definitely more pinky. There's the next shade. That shade is stunning. There's the next one that follows. This one's cute. Let's see this one here. Ooh, there's a swatch of those. This one I can tell I'm gonna like this little stack more. But again, we're gonna have to swatch these on the lips and see like how they actually look, how they go on. Are they gonna be waxy kind of vibes? I don't know. So we're gonna try these out soon. I'm also going to be using them in a full face of Shop Miss using new makeup, so stick around for that. But yeah, I picked up both of those little lipstick stacks. We're getting down to the nitty gritty. We only have like 4 more products. I picked up 2 of the A2O Lab Lumi Glow Complexion Boosters, so I bought 2 different shades here. We're going to see which one works for me in that full face. But we have the shade Shine and Enlighten. This is meant to, it says, use as a primer under foundation for a glow from within look. Mix in with foundation for a dewy finish, or use after foundation as a highlight. Oh, interesting. So it has like 3 different uses. You can use it for whatever you want. It says it creates a flawless filter, a complexion booster that illuminates and smooths the skin as a dewy finish for all skin types. It is free of alcohol, parabens, and sulfates. Okay. This innovation, this packaging, this is so cute. I already am in love with their foundation that comes in this line, so I already know these are going to be good. But again, I did buy 2 different shades. I wasn't sure which one would go with me. This one here is in Shine. Let me go ahead and swatch it. So it does come with a doe foot applicator. There's the shade Shine. We have this shade in Enlightens. It's a little deeper, I think. So those are the 2 shades there. We're gonna see which one works out for me, but I think I can definitely use both of them for different things. So love this packaging too. These are so cute. And lastly, also from A2O, we have their setting spray and primer spray. I thought I only bought this setting spray, but the primer spray is giving very much like Milk Makeup vibes. I think that's why I purchased it. So again, from A2O, they're actually like stepping up their game and coming out with a lot of new products, and these were actually $5. Oh, these were also $5. That's crazy. They're raising their prices slowly but surely. All right, so there is the primer spray. It is called their Pro Grip priming spray, which is why I picked it up, I think, because it is blue. It's giving very much milk vibes. And this is the hyaluronic acid and caffeine primer spray. And then we have the Pro Finish setting spray, hyaluronic acid and aloe leaf extract is in here. Cute. So it says this is meant to be weightless. It has a micro mist Pro Finish setting spray that locks in all long-lasting shine-free matte finish. Perfect because I have oily skin. It's undetected to the skin. It feels comfortable without tightness or sticky residue. Cute. And then we have this one here, which says this refreshing weightless micro mist Pro Grip priming skin for flawless makeup application. Undetectable to the skin, feels comfortable without tightness and sticky. Okay, it says the same stuff, but yeah, I just went ahead and picked up both of those. Again, we're going to be trying all of these products in a future video. It's going to be coming soon. We always do full faces of Shop Miss. I have my playlist down below. We have haul videos, full faces, ranking videos, all types of things over there. So definitely check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.